Sometimes I need to humble my ego. I be thinking that to myself while I'm smoking on them trees, though. Yeah, in this life, do I wanna live or just get by with it for right now? Cause I'ma give you my time. Cause at least I hope someone listens to my line.
Niggas outside, chill. It's good, YouTube. It's your boy King Jones, man. We back with another video. It's been a minute, but it's alright now. You know, it's hot outside, niggas outside. You already know what's going on, son. Tell me what's the special order. What's the special order today, man? What's that?
Bacon, egg, and cheese. Inside of a beef patty. Inside of cocoa bread.
Yo.
Bomba clad, man.
Yo, we doing it big out here, man. Y'all not ready for it, man. We doing it big, too big. It's crazy. We didn't even start the summer, yo. What's good, my boy?
You can fuck the shit out of mine, man. Fuck that bitch. Fuck her. She needs her some.
Yo, bro.
Yes, sir. Suck it. Suck it good.
Niggas really outside, so cooking out here, so I'm like, oh, beef? Chill. Oh, it's a goof, bro. Niggas outside cooking, bro. You're really out here chilling, son. My son Modelo time out here, chill. Kings all here, man, you know. Niggas outside, Keon. Oh. Biggest body out here. So niggas outside.
No typo on my penmanship correct. Little nigga, I'm a vet.
Who this?
Nigga, we next. I don't got a bag, I get my respect. Shout out my niggas.
This you, Pop?
Keep you in order, no remorse. And they could be aunts, uncle, son's daughters. Niggas we torture, don't follow law and order. In the 50
Bro, these niggas, bro.
What?
These niggas got the whole subway at the beach. What the fuck, bro?
But don't disrespect me like that. I heard that shit the first time. I told me why not.
That's right.
What?
Yeah, don't disrespect me like that, bro.
Like that, my nigga.
Look at this nigga. Look at this nigga, son. Who is this nigga? Nigga tired. Look at this nigga, son. Who is this? What's going on? Meet you in the spot. What's going on, man? You know, I'm gonna shoot some guns, man. Not the white feet on the. Yo, what?
Rich niggas wear baby max to the beach.
My fault. My niggas popped out like this. What's going on, son? What's?
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Don't make one of these guys know me out here, right?
Nah, we about to leave.
I can't be messing with so many people.
Nah, you good. Are you too, man? Yo, I'm like, man.
You should have recorded that shit.
I did record that shit, nigga. Yeah, nigga. What's moving like that, son? Why this nigga moving like that, son? Like, why you moving like that?
I don't do cameras, bro.
Nah, you don't do cameras. Nigga got a whole YouTube channel.
I don't blame, bro. You on the YouTube channel?
Yeah, you already know, bro. Subscribe to this thing. I'll put his link in the description.
Hey, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to my boy Bond.
Yeah, you already know. Yeah, this nigga's icy out here. Damn, nigga, Keon got niggas in the Bronx.
Huh?
The dirty, bro.
Fucking knee hurt, bro. My robotic knees.
Warned you not to make me use this.
Yo,
I need some WD-40, bro.
niggas really in the Bronx right now.
My shit squeaking right now.
I'm gonna hold you. They might have started some shit. I don't know, man. They might have. What's that?
Shit fire, bro.
They might have started some shit with that one. I don't know.
You gonna lose some subscribers. You gonna lose some fucking subscribers.
This ain't my channel, it's his channel. I made sure they subscribe to your shit. I subscribe to your shit. I was trying to get you out there, nigga. Nah, delete all that, my nigga. Yo, I will pull this bitch over, nigga. Fuck you. Yo, and I'm keeping up, nigga. Fuck your bitch ass, nigga. I'm super quick. I will hop this bitch. What's up?
Yo, bro, chill, bro,
I'm
chill,
quick as a
bro.
bitch.
Bro, chill, bro, you jumping ice cream in my car, bro.
Well, stop fucking around, man.
Yo, bro.
Ice cream.
I know that'd be funny, bro.
Yo, niggas get lights in the fucking roof. Wanna start acting like big ass bitches. Look at
Yo.
this nigga. He all smug and shit.
Bro, I know this
Yeah, I
baby
know you
back
got it.
bitch not
Yeah, I
talking,
know
bro.
you got it, you my
Bro,
man.
get the fuck out the car, bro.
Congratulations.
Alright, bro. Get the fuck out the car, bro. Get the fuck out the door. Bro, get out the car, bro.
Yo, I'm calling CCPD on your ass.
Alright, bro.
Alright, Keon.
That's some good footage today, huh?
You already know, little son, man. Give me a little song, man.
What?
Give me a little song, man. Little something. Alright, man, catch you on the flip. Be safe, bro. Nah, bro, I don't know what you're talking about, bro. My boy Keon. Look at Nosy. Peeking through the blinds. Well, that's my day, you know. Video might be short, might be long. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but yo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, man. You know how it go, man. It's good, bro.
What's good, man? Hey, everybody, I'm naked right now. I didn't know. I seen like,
Catch you on the flip.
As I watch the sunrise, it's time to get this money, nigga. Fuck these other niggas who not on time and stop fucking with them. Can't tell these phony niggas nothing, never had trust in them. Sorry, I moved military.